Welcome to S&L Unplugged.
Hi, I'm S.
Hi, I'm L.
Normally one of us is operating the camera, but today you have both of us.
Today we're going to be making butter chicken. It's our most favorite Indian recipe.
Right out of this recipe book, and thank you to one of our subscribers who especially requested that we make a video for this. They know we make it and we love it, and hopefully you will too.
So the ingredients that you need to make butter chicken are turmeric, cayenne pepper, paprika, cumin, garam masala, salt, ginger, garlic, can of tomatoes, can of coconut milk, coconut oil, cilantro, and chicken thighs. You can't make it with chicken breast, but chicken thighs have more flavor.
And today we're also going to be making it in our pressure cooker by Instant Pot. And I see you code and cook.
I code. We cook. So we're going to take the 1 can of tomatoes. We're going to pour that into the Instant Pot. And you need 6 cloves of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger. Put that into the Instant Pot. Then you need 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, cayenne pepper, paprika, cumin, garam masala, and salt. I'm going to pour all that in. Then we're going to stir it. Stir away.
Smells good already.
It does. Garam masala smells so good.
And you make your own.
That's right, I do make my own. Then we're going to place the chicken thighs on top of that. We're going to close the lid on the Instant Pot, seal it. We're going to do manual, high pressure, 10 minutes, and then you will naturally release. Okay, it's time to take out the chicken thighs. I'm going to set them aside. Because we're going to immersion blend the ingredients that are in the Instant Pot. Where did she go? Assistant! There you are. Great job, S, on the immersion blending.
Thanks.
We have to let that cool for a couple minutes. We're going to chop up the chicken thighs while we're letting that cool. We're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Half cup each of coconut oil, coconut milk, cilantro, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and the chicken. We're going to set it on saute low and stir it together. Now we're going to serve the butter chicken over jasmine rice. That looks great. And also a side of garlic naan.
Oh yeah, can't forget the naan. Thanks for joining us on S&L Unplugged. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Bon appetit! Welcome to S&L Unplugged.
I'm S.
I'm L.
Thanks for joining us today. Normally, one of us is operating the camera, but today you get both of us, and the tripod's doing the work.
We love the tripod.
Okay. Why did I say that?
I don't know.
What else I was supposed to say. Was I done after that?
Yep. Welcome to S&L Unplugged. Hi, I'm S. Action. We're gonna serve the butter naan. Butter naan.
I didn't even catch that.
Yep.
Butter naan.
Butter naan. Okay.
I already put the spoon in here.
Butter naan. Alrighty then. Yep. As soon as I said it, I'm like, that's not right. Butter naan. Okay. Anyways, here we go.
Okay.
Alright. Butter chicken.
Great. Now we got the giggles.
Giggles. Okay. No, don't do whatever you're doing.